I will be showing how you can make your simple product photo to look like this one. This is my product photo, and using the ChatGPT's latest AI edit and also using some post-production in Photoshop, and this will be very easy tutorial. I will be showing step by step how you can do it. So I will be using this ChatGPT Pro version. We are using 4.0. Then just go to tools and select create an image. Now I will be uploading the both photo that we want to use. For my case, I'm going to use this reference image and this bottle. So I'm just going to select two photos, then click here. So this is my two photos, and now I'll be using this prompt. Okay, so just put this prompt. I will be adding this prompt inside the description, or you can just pause the video and copy the text and then run it. So I'm just going to send it. I just define here that do not place uh, any changes to the blue bottle, and put the blue bottle on the space of the red bottle. Let me show you the other image that I am using as a reference image. So this is the image that I am using as a reference image. So as you can see, on the first try we get a really cool photos, but the problem is the text is not as accurate as the original photo we keep, because inside the ChatGPT till today they do not handle the text as they are. So we need to fix this inside the Photoshop, and I'll be also showing it. So if you don't get a perfect photo on the first try, what you can do, you can switch to try again, run the same prompt again. Maybe you can just copy this and run it again. So I think I will go with this one. I like this one, so I'm just going to download it. Now I'll be opening this inside my Photoshop. So this is our photo. Now I will add our product photo that I inputted there. So this is the product photo. Now what we'll do, we'll match the photo with the photo we generated. So this, you can see, we can make it a little large. Okay, that's it. Now we'll be hide this layer. Now use the object selection tool from here, then just hover on the image. It will automatically select the object from your photo. Select the background, then go to select, then modify, then expand. So we want to make the selection just a little out of the bottle, so just we expand it by 4 or 5 pixel. That's it. Move the selection a bit. Now we will remove the bottle. Now hit generate. Now you can see our bottle have successfully removed from the photo. Now what we'll do, we'll just bring back our hidden layer just right here. Then I will merge these two layers. So I'm just going to merge layers, then copy this layer, put it on top of it. That's it. Now select the top layer and add masking, then press Ctrl I and invert the mask. Now we will use a brush tool. So this brush, use the color to white, change the follow to maybe 31% or something like this, make it smooth, and then you just draw it on this. So you can see the smoke is coming on the glass, so it will make it look realistic. If you are not satisfied, you can increase this one. So I think this is okay for now for this example. Now what we have to match, that the photo is not is still matching with the background, because we put it, we can say that it's there, but there is an option in Photoshop. You can use the neural filter that will match it with the background. So how you can do it is just select the product layer, then go to filter, neural filters. From here you just select this one, harmonize, then select the layer, just turn it on, then select the layer that you want to match with. So want to match with the background. Now you can see it's perfectly blend with the background, and it also bring back some light to the glasses as the photo. So now it's look, if you want, you can just change the intensity from here, maybe increase or decrease. So this, I think, okay. Now you can see this photo look perfect. If you want, you can add some more colors here. If you want, then you can just select the background, and maybe you can add some smoke here. on the bottle, maybe the top also. So that's it. Now you can see this is the photo. This is the final photo. So in this way you can create cool photos using the ChatGPT latest photo editing tools, and then post-production inside Photoshop. So I hope you like this video, and if you learned something new, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.